Everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. In this video, you'll be able to scan a document using Notes instead of downloading a different application or using a printer. Here's my easy step-by-step guide. First, go into Notes. Then select the note you want to use, or create a new note by pressing the yellow square icon with the small pencil on top in the bottom right corner, and then it'll bring you to this. If you come into Notes like this, press the yellow camera icon at the bottom, or if you came into Notes like this, press the plus icon and then press the white camera icon. Then press Scan Documents, and then it'll bring you to this. Then Cancel will take you out of Scan Documents. Then next to that you have got Flash, which you have got on to turn on the flash. Then you've got off to turn off the flash manually. Then you've got Auto, where it can automatically turn on the flash if it needs to be on, if you've got low light, or if you've got lots of light, it can make it be off. Auto, where it can automatically take the photo of your scan, or if you don't want it to do that, just tap Auto and then you can do it manually yourself. Then at the bottom you've got the white circle, or you can use the volume buttons to take your scan. Use these circles to change your crop and move them into the corners so you get a perfect scanned document like it was done by a photocopier, and also it magnifies that area of where that corner is so you get it just where the corner is. When happy with your scan document, tap Keep Scan. If not, tap Retake. And then at the bottom you have got Crop, where you can crop it. And then you've got the three bubbles where you can change the colour of it, make it grayscale, black and white, or photo. Or you can have colour. And then you can crop to adjust it again. And you can turn it around by pressing delete it. Then when you are happy with your scan, tap Done and then tap Save at the bottom. Then it will be saved to your notes. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.